Before the heat rises, the ingredients gather in quiet order. Every Castella begins with eggs, fresh, clean, and flawless. Precision begins at the very first crack. Sweetness deepens the sponge. Air is folded into liquid gold. Lightness begins in the dust.
Technique protects the air within.
The perfect ribbon tells the truth. Air stays inside, never trapped. Now the heat will transform everything.
Heat awakens what air has built.
Transformation begins in silence. Precision temperature shapes the rise.
The surface seals the softness beneath.
From heat, perfection emerges. From heat, perfection emerges.
Golden, even, and alive with air. Cooling preserves the delicate crumb. Now the sponge begins to rest. The mold steps away from its creation. Every layer must separate cleanly. The foundation holds its form. Inside, the air remains perfectly woven.
Air circulates, locking in softness. Air circulates, locking in softness.
Patience completes the structure. Protection begins before flavor settles. Moisture stays where it belongs. Moisture stays where it belongs. Now, the sponge matures in silence.
Rest deepens both color and character.
A signature sealed in warmth.
Air circulates, locking in softness. Patience completes the structure. Protection begins before flavor settles.
Moisture stays where it belongs.
Now, the sponge matures in silence. Rest deepens both color and character.
A signature sealed in warmth. Perfection demands symmetry.
Uniform slices define consistency. A clean cut protects the air within. Repetition ensures perfection. Balance in every dimension. Uniformity becomes presentation. Softness you can see. Clean lines complete the craft. Now tradition meets modern precision. Consistency continues beyond the blade. Clean surfaces protect presentation. Environment defines final texture.
Precision keeps softness uniform.
Balanced moisture, ready for inspection. Hands still guard the craft.
Many paths become one.
Presentation begins before sealing.
Automation protects uniformity.
Precision leaves no excess behind.
Automation meets human rhythm. Structure surrounds the product. Care remains at every step.
Care remains at every step. Identity travels with every box. Order builds layer by layer. Order builds layer by layer. Stability secures the load. From bakery floor to warehouse grid.
Ready for the road beyond these walls.
And this is how modern factories produce Nagasaki Castella from start to finish.